As another global bank is falling, cryptocurrency is looking wonderful right now, and Crypto.com is releasing more products for its already thriving exchange. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about the CRO Coin price, what investors can expect out of the price of CRO as we move towards the next bull run, and as some of these bank runs are happening on banks around the world. Guys, let's get into the content. If you like the video, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every day for you. And at 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. Guys, markets are still holding steady, about 1.06 trillion. Bitcoin's still around $24,000 or so. And just got a note, USD coin actually did get its peg back to $1. Some people were speculating that. All the fear went away real fast when the banks started to fail. But look at this, CRONOS coming in at rank number 33 right now, which is pretty good. You know, hanging in there with 1% gain over the last 7 days, down 5% today. Just the markets are retracing just a little bit. Bitcoin hit $26,000 yesterday, and so today it's cooling off just a little bit. Keep an eye on that, though, to get an idea of where we might be going next for CRO. But to keep an idea of, where we really are in the CRO price, here's the last year, the last 365 days. So we're still down. We still have a lot that we can kind of recoup, find our way back up. And when you do look at the last 3 months or even the year to date, you can see we're still up since the beginning of the year. Bitcoin's currently up 50% on the year, performing a little bit better than some of the altcoins. There's a reason for that, guys. We do believe Bitcoin's going to be a little stronger than some of the alts. But eventually, remember, CRO Coin was at $1. And one day it wasn't at $1. It was very, very close to $1. And we do believe here on the channel that it will not only get back to $1, but break out past that dollar and move towards all-time highs. And there's a couple things that are going to help with that. One of them being, look at this, introducing up-down options. They're going to start offering derivatives products on the Crypto.com app, which is fantastic to see. More products, and they're going to be using this in the US. And the United States is very, very strict on regulation. But what's Crypto.com doing? They're working with regulators. They're putting out products that are legal and appropriate for crypto entities to use. Obviously, they're tiptoeing around regulators, but they're doing a great job. As look here, they're launching a product, and the CEO of Crypto.com did a great job of putting this out on Twitter and retweeting this. This is our first regulated derivatives offering following the $250 million acquisition of the CFTC-regulated DAX in December of 2021. Many of you guys might remember, some of you guys maybe didn't hear this, but they did acquire NADAX back in 2021, which was a CFTC-regulated group, and this gives them the opportunity to use a product like this. This is spectacular. This is very unique. Very, very bullish for crypto in our opinion here. And you got to keep in mind, guys, look, crypto is here to stay. It is the future. And that is especially apparent right now, given that banks are failing. You heard about the Silvergate Bank collapse. You heard about SVB Bank. Well, now Credit Suisse is failing, and nobody's coming to back them out. There may be the Swiss central bank to back them out, but their backer in Saudi, one of their business partners in Saudi, said, hey, we're not going to touch this. They're down 25% today, this bank, and people are thinking this bank is too big, too big to fail. Well, here it is, and people are now thinking it's going to fail, and the central bank might have to bail them out. There is $500 million in this bank. It's just more reason to understand, we got to learn about these crypto products. We got to look at the good players in the crypto space, and is it an exchange safer than a bank at this point? It's a great question. Some of these reserves are verified by the blockchain for some of these exchanges. That is arguably much better than a bank that's been doing bad business. Go look at the chart for Credit Suisse. It's been going down for years and years and years because, frankly, they haven't been operating properly for years. And now, because of all this fear in the market and because they're also exposed to a lot of very, very risky companies that they gave loans to, here they are, they're failing. And there's now fear that more banks in Europe might start to fail on account of this if this doesn't get straightened out. Again, I'm excited to see more product coming out for crypto exchanges like Crypto.com. The CRONOS chain is obviously spectacular. DeFi is great. You guys can now leverage trade on the DeFi app and CRONOS through a variety of different products that they have. There's so many different things we can do besides banks, and Crypto.com is doing a great job of highlighting that and bringing more to the forefront. And, so is Binance. The other day, CZ came out to Twitter and he said Binance is going to convert $1 billion into Bitcoin, BNB, and ETH. And then you look at some of this thread, and this is a great point. Took 15 seconds to do this transaction and cost $1.29 to move 980 million. Just imagine, how long would that take to move through a bank before banking hours on a Monday? Blockchain is better than the banks. This is coming out into the forefront. People are noticing what these crypto exchanges are doing, what these big crypto players are doing. And yes, Bitcoin is going to move up first. Altcoins will follow. I am bullish on CRO Coin. I believe in the CRO Coin dollar price prediction. Do you? Do you think it can go higher than that? I might even say, hey, we could see a $2 to $5 CRO. I think Binance Coin's going to go up. I think Bitcoin's going to go up. I think crypto is going to fly into the next bull market. Maybe a little sideways for now. We just had a big rally. A little cool off is fine. But guys, look what is being done right now. Look at the messaging being put out by these exchanges, by the crypto space, versus the message being put out by the governments and the banks right now, who are scrambling to hold themselves together. That's all I got, guys. Don't forget, we're giving away a loaded line at 25,000 subscribers on the channel. Just follow us at _ crypto report on Twitter. And if you want access to our private Discord, just join as a member. Also, if you become a member, not only do you get access to our private Discord where you can talk directly with me and Black C, you get these loyalty badges and custom emojis for our live streams every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, as well as direct communication with Black C and I in that Discord, guys. That's all we got. I am bullish on CRO. Right now, I think Bitcoin might be having its day in the sun as compared to some of the altcoins, but CRO will come back, guys. Look at the products they're putting out. Look at the messaging from the CEO, and look at all the marketing partnerships. It is ready for the next bull market. Are you bullish? Let me know below, guys. That's all I got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like. It helps so much in the algorithm, guys. Subscribe to the channel to stay posted with all the content. And as always, don't forget to DCA HODL. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.